We'd like to thank our friends from Healthway Medical, the official medical partner of the Philippine Superliga. As we have a 4-point lead now for Bingo Millonario. Another great serve there coming from Chisayet. Phil Cainglet just using the net to her lucky advantage that time.
They'll take the point anyway. They need at least 3 points to tie it with the Puffins.
And look at who's serving now for Petron. That lady.
Oh!
That lady who's been tormenting.
Stigma.
Right.
She's there.
Let's see if
you have to worry.
Dimac can get it done. Choosing Morada once again. They go to Michelle Gumabao. One-handed save there from Dimac. And it goes across. Here's Sayet now going to Gumabao. Micah Ortiz is there. Dimac. Back set. Aiza Maizo. Great dig by Peñano. Here's Patrona. Floats one and going keeps it alive. Free ball from Aiza Maizo. Chisayet. Penetrante going again. Here's Cainglet. Cainglet going to the long court. Sayet. And that one by Patrona is dug up again by Cainglet. Back set. Aiza Maizo off the block.
Oh!
No one's going to get there.
If you need a point, you give it to Maizo and she scores it.
And now it is 16-13, just a 3-point lead. Judy Ann Caballejo will come in. It looks like an injury to Angueta Baquero. So we will see if Miyaka can get something on that one. It looks like Angue might have hurt her calf. We're not sure yet. Rhea Di Maculangan, down 2.
This is a very important set for the Blaze Spikers. They have to win this to extend this game into 5 sets.
Chisayet cannot set. Micah Ortiz can surely attack. It is now just a 1-point lead for the Puffins.
I am holding on to my seat.
Timeout, Ronald Dulay. Let's listen in.
Hindi makakaabot sa'yo yan, provided na paangat pa lang on the right ang bola ang palo mo.
Dapat i-endo. Diretso lang, pasa lang. Sige, lamang pa tayo. Sige, diretso lang. Ha? Pag na-side out natin to, diretso tayo. Okay, let's go. Sa atin to.
Guys, lamang pa tayo.
Sa atin to, ha? Abang ka rito sa likod sa ibibigay.
Let's see what the Power Puffins can do. Now, Miyaka, what's going on with Angue?
As you can see, she is right now icing her knee, and she said because it's when she fell down and her knee fell first, and it was really hard. So she said it really hurts, and she doesn't know if she's gonna come back still. But knowing Tabaquero, she will. Back to you guys.
Hey, we have another analyst there on the side with Miyaka Lim. Of course, Miyaka Lim did play college volleyball as well, so she's seen these injuries before. And let's see if Angue can actually come back.
And I guess a tough one. I mean,
right.
You know.
Great block by Cainglet. Here's Sayet now across. Patrona through the defense of Aiza Maizo.
Patrona trying to keep it simple.
That lead is now up to 2 for Bingo Millonario. Maureen Penetrante Owano. Former, two-time UAAP MVP.
Oh, but that one?
Does not want to remember her college days, apparently. So that is going to go long. 17-16. Phil Cainglet, former captain of the Ateneo de Manila Lady Eagles. To her friends, her nickname is Cheche. Steve Cheche, because she has another sister, Phil Claudine, who's also a Phil. Good serve by Cheche. And we are tied at 17.
Am I right? Also, Phil is being referred to as the ninja.
No, the
right?
ninja is Gumaba. Sorry, Gohing. Gohing is the ninja. Phil is just Phil.
Phil is just Phil, yeah.
Or Phil St. Merced Cainglet. And we got now Gumabao on the attack. Gohing buys enough time for Di Maculangan. Back set. Aiza Maizo!
Maizo scoring that point.
And you can see the Petron faithful celebrating the lead now, which has gone back. You know, they were down by 4 points at one point here in this set.
We predicted this will be a long game.
Because Miyaka Lim is here. It's that simple. Here is Gumabao. Here is Caballejo now. And Judy Caballejo scores. Again, what a luxury. Angeta Baguero goes down with an injury. Then you bring in Judy Cavallejo.
And Di Maculangan is just having a feast. All
Oh,
three
yeah.
blockers right there at the
Remember-
front line. Any way she goes.
Exactly. Remember, the first time these two teams met, Di Maculangan had 51 excellent sets. And even the server, Phil Cainglet, she is actually kind of shy to take credit of that, to take credit for that point.
It's a point anyway. Come on.
It's like in tennis, that's when you usually apologize to your opponent. 3-point lead for the Blaze Spikers. Better serve now from Cainglet. Sayed, quick set, Laborte. Di Maculangan is there. To Ortiz. She Sayed. Iris Patrona off the block. D-Mac. Aiza, too near the net. And there is nothing you can do. Judy Cavallejo
Judy.
had defected to the side of Bingo Millonario.
There was a crossing and then
That's the double block eye anyway. It's just a point. And Michelle Gumaba wants to keep it within the rules. They got no point. She's still saying, why isn't it called? And here is a substitution that we didn't see coming. Former LaSalle captain Carla Llaguno sees her first action, replacing Iris Patrona.
who needs a breather?
I think Iris just wanted to have a little bit of a break, but Llaguno's got a pretty good defensive ability there in the back line as well.
Oh, the crowd not liking whatever it is.
Yep. Llaguno with the serve. Cainglet, D-Mac, back set. Aiza Maizo! And this is where Mick Laborte has to take everybody together and say, Hoy, gising tayo.
And they need to step up right there at the net.
Micah Ortiz to put it in play. Coach Villette making faces at something. Sayed, combination. Morada is blocked.
Now Sayed has to make use of Gumaba, who's been scoring those points.
Ronald Dulay sees this one slipping away. Timeout, Bingo Millonario.
Alihin mo yung defense.
Sige lang, hindi pa tapos yan. 22-18, 4 lang yan. Eh yung 5, yung 6 naabutan natin. Isa't isa lang. Okay? Umpisahan natin ngayon. Side out natin, saka natin ano. Kaya pa yan, malayo pa yan.
Go! Guys, ang clear natin yung check out mo lang kahit kamay lang, kahit kamay lang.
And this one is still in the balance despite the score. Petron needs 3 points to send this to a 5th set. But Bingo Millonario can string it together. Let's see if Micah Ortiz can be consistent on her serve here. Good one. Peñano. Sayed. Back set ngayon. And Michelle Gumabao has that sent back by Charo Soriano. Here's Micah Morada. And there is no help coming for Rhea Di Maculangan. Morada scores again. Boy, Morada's done pretty well in that open spiker spot.
Well adjusted.
Now Michelle Gumabao. They are down by 3. Maizo, Di Maculangan, combination, Caballejo. Here's Sayed now, quick set Laborte, dug up by Gohing. Di Maculangan, Aiza Maizo, dug up by Carla Llaguno. Free ball given up there by Bingo. Back set. Oh, Maizo changing the shot. Laborte doing a Maizo. Maizo on the second goal. How about that?
And that is the advantage of being a left-handed attacker and you're playing the utility position.
And you're also an auxiliary center, so they think that you might be setting.
But
well,
you can drop the
you
ball.
can drop the ball.
And that's the natural way things would go because you're a lefty.
Yeah. Now Aiza no longer a threat in front because she's serving. Gumaba with the reception. Here's Sayed now across. Morada. And Micah Morada finds the corner.
Probably the Puffins, finally she's at the back.
Right.
Leaving
Here's the usual substitution for Mick Laborte. Cecil Cruzada comes in, giving them again extra defense in the back. So Cecil Cruzada will serve. They are down by 3. I just can't get over that move earlier by Aiza Maizo. Still thinking about it. Cainglet. They go to Judy Caballejo. Yaguno is there. Gumabaw. Yaguno will give up a free ball. Gohing. Rhea. They go to Judy. Judy drops in a camper.
Clean shot by Caballejo. And again, that is an advantage if you are a beach volleyball player.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
looking at that, the adjustment was very quick to Judy. She knew that the middle spot was vacant. It was open.
Right. She is a former UAAP MVP for beach volleyball. Now they have 4 set points. And they give a gift. Charo Soriano cannot end it yet. Triple set point for Petron, and Charo is not happy. The defense was arriving late for that, actually.
Well, they just need 1 point.
Yaguno in front is now replaced by Patrona. Morada now. Looking around at the back line. Serves it to Maizo. Kainglet. Maizo from behind. Side, quick set, penetrante!
Oh.
It's still not over.
But Petron needs just 1 point to close out this set.
And Villette still has 1 timeout. Morada. Judy. Rhea has to attack. Gumabaw now. Joust at the net. Peñano will now send this across. Gohing. They go to Phil. Phil Kainglet off the block. Morada keeps it alive. Patrona dug up by Gohing. And Rhea tries to drop it. Saet. Patrona. Caballejo. Di Makulangan. Kainglet. And nobody gets the second ball. Phil Kainglet will send us to a 5th set. And again, the charmed life of Phil Kainglet continues. 5th set. Miyaka Lim is in the house. What else is new? We'll be right back.